In this video we will show how to assemble the LED driver unit into a compact component that can fit into most rolling stock in HO and other larger scales. The three electrical components used include the bridge rectifier, which converts the incoming current to flow in one direction, the capacitor that stores current to supply a constant voltage which avoids flickering of the lights. This LED chip puts out a maximum of 20 milliamps of current to the lighting circuit required to light the LEDs. High current will blow out and destroy the LEDs. Connection wires with DuPont-style connection plugs are used to interface the track pickup with the lighting circuit. Since soldering is required, the tools needed will include a soldering iron, some solder and flux, wire snippers, a 9-volt battery and LED to test the unit, and helping hands to assist in holding components when soldering. We begin by preparing the LED driver unit. The first step is to turn the capacitor upright with the grey side facing you. The grey side of the capacitor is the negative side, while the black side is the positive. Also, the positive lead on the capacitor is longer than the negative lead. Now bend both leads to the left as shown here. Now take the bridge rectifier. You will note either a notch or beveled edge on the top along with the markings on the chip, indicated by the tilde symbol and a plus and minus symbol next to each pin. Bend out flat both of the pins labeled with the tilde symbol on the rectifier and leave the positive and negative pins as is. Now cut the DuPont wires 2 inches from the female plug. Strip 1/4 inch off the insulation from the cut ends of both wires and tin with solder the exposed wire. Add 3/8 inch of heat shrink tubing to the short wire with the female plugs. Now solder the wire ends to the pins marked with the tilde symbol on the rectifier. Preferably put the red wire on the pin which is opposite the positive for easier identification. Cover the solder joints with heat shrink and heat with hot air to insulate the solder joints. Now line up the long lead of the capacitor, the positive lead, with the positive pin of the bridge rectifier and solder these together. Repeat with the negative lead of the capacitor soldered to the negative pin of the bridge rectifier. With the flat side of the LED driver chip facing you, identify the VA lead on the left and the VB lead on the right. Bend the VA lead backwards and the VB lead forwards. Cut off the center lead as it will no longer be required. Now solder the VA lead of the LED chip to the positive junction of the capacitor bridge rectifier joint. Trim off the excess leads extending from both capacitor bridge rectifier joints, and you now have the completed LED driver unit with the rectifier, capacitor and LED driver chip soldered together along with the female DuPont connector wires.